Hello there, my name is Damilola and this is actually my first YouTube video, an introductory video of what I would actually be doing on this channel. As its name implies, Illumine Finance and Forex Hub. I will be uploading things relating to Forex, the Forex market charts, learning how to trade and all those things, anything related to Forex, trading, and things that has to do with finance. You will be seeing them on this channel, and I would really want you to encourage me by liking, by following, by subscribing to my YouTube channel, as well as I'll be posting educative video. Actually, that's the essence of this channel. Educative videos that would bless you, that would help you, that would enlighten you the more regarding Forex and finance, business and all of that. I hope it will be a good ride. Thank you.